All right, we're going to try out this 740 piece metric 2.5 bolt and nut set with some tools in it. Problem I got here is this, this is a little RC car. This is a Typhon Grom, an Arrma. And you may be able to see that our little steering gear here done come disconnected from our steering linkage. Not good. And apparently this is all 2.5 millimeter stuff. So get a billion nuts and bolts here. I like that this has an actual latch on it. Okay, little guys. Which one of you is going to solve my problem? Let's try this one. I like that it comes with an Allen key and a little, oh, look at this. What's this guy do? Yeah, that's nice. Little grabber. Now look at all these stinking nuts and bolts. Can you see this? Yeah, pretty darn good. All right, let's just let's try to fix this thing real quick. There's little Allen heads. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. And no slop. Well, there we go. I will never need another nut or bolt for this car ever again. I probably will. This will last me for a while.